Hello children, I am your computer science teacher. Today, let's begin with the chapter 3, How a Computer Works. First, let's start learning objectives. Understand how machines work. Learn about the IPO cycle. Know how a computer uses the IPO cycle. Identify the computer parts involved in the IPO cycle. Computers are amazing machines that help us in many ways. But how do they work? Just like any other machines, computer follows a set of steps to do tasks. In this chapter, we will learn how a computer works using the input, process, output cycle. Working of machines. Machines make our work easier. For example, a washing machine cleans clothes for us. A calculator helps us add numbers quickly. Machines need us to instruct them what to do. IPO cycle. IPO stands for Input, Process and Output. It is the way many machines, including computers, work. Input. We give instructions or data to the machine. Process. The machine works on the input. Output. The machine gives us the result. Example 1. Making toast. Input. Bread slices. Process. Toaster heating and toasting the bread. Output. Toasted bread. Example 2. Making juice. Input. Fresh fruits. Process. Juicer squeezing the fruits. Output. A glass of fruit juice. Example 3. Taking a photograph. Input. A smiling friend. Process. Camera capturing the image. Output. A photograph. Computer parts and IPO devices. There are 3 main steps that a computer takes to do any job: input, process and output. Different parts of the computer help in the IPO cycle. Input. Input is the information we give to the computer. It is like telling the computer what we want it to do. Examples of input: typing letters on a keyboard, clicking with a mouse, speaking through a microphone, touching the screen on a tablet. Process. Process is when the computer thinks and works on the instructions. It uses its CPU to understand and work on the input. It performs calculations and makes decisions. Output. Output is the result the computer gives us after processing the input. Examples of output: displaying a picture on the screen, playing a song through speakers, printing a document on paper. Now, let's see how the IPO cycle works in a computer. Example 1. You want to play a game on the computer where you catch falling apples. Input. You press the arrow keys to move the basket. Process. The computer calculates where the apples are and checks if the basket catches them. Output. The screen shows the basket catching an apple. Your score goes up. Example 2. Using a calculator app to add 2 plus 3. Input. You tap the numbers and symbols 2, plus and 3. Then press equals. Process. The computer calculates what 2 plus 3 equals. Output. The app displays the number 5 on the screen. Example 3. Typing a story. Input. You type words using the keyboard. Process. The computer processes the letters. Output. The story appears on the monitor. Example 4. Playing music. Input. You select a song using the mouse. Process. The computer reads the music file. Output. The song plays through the speakers. Now, let's get back to the chapter summary. Computers work using input, process and output. Input is information we give to the computer. The computer processes the input. Output is the result the computer gives us. Machines like toasters and cameras use the IPO cycle. Input devices help us give information to the computer. Output devices show us the results from the computer. Thank you.